Hi, I'm Philip Hundl. I'm an attorney that focuses on representing landowners in eminent domain or condemnation proceedings. I try to bring these videos to you, the landowners, as quick as I can to tell you about new projects that you may, have been contacted on, and you feel like you're the only one, and you're not sure what to do. And so, what I want to do is talk as much as I can about the project and what I know about the project. A lot of times, there's not a lot of information out there about these projects, but what I know, I'll try to share with you, and then also some tips about what you as a landowner should. And you're right in these type of proceedings. So with that, I'm playing around a little bit more with a different type of video. Try to be a little bit more interactive. Show you the landowner a little bit more about projects and be a little more video. We're talking about a project. So this is San Augustine County in Texas, and basically this area of the county, the eastern side next to Sabine County, there's a project going on right now, and we all hear about the big players, the Kinder Morgan's Energy Transfer Enterprise projects. Or right now, there's a huge project that we've heard a lot about. I've done lots of videos on. I've done interviews. The Matterhorn Express runs way out in West Texas, all the way to Wharton County, Fort Bend County, Wall. So, but this is more of a real localized or regional project, and I'll pull some of the information. The company involved with this project is Pine Wave Energy Partners, and they. Let me move over here. And so this is their website, and take a look at their website. Not a lot of information on their website, but it's Pine Wave Energy Park. They have a new project, or they're involved with the project. And a lot of times there's all different investors, different partners in this project. So this is they're calling it the Toledo Bend Express. And one of the partners or owners of this pipeline project, the Toledo Bend Express LLC. So you'll see that name as well. So if you're contacted about the Toledo Bend Express project, this is what, and it's one of the investors or one of the companies behind it is Pine Wave Energy Partners. Now the right-of-way acquisition company that you may hear from. The right-of-way acquisition company involved with this Toledo Bend Express is a company called Roca Land, and our right-of-way. Here's their website, rocaland.com. You can look on that. If you've been contacted by any of these folks from their team, then you'll know who they are, and they are who they are. This is like I said, their website is pretty sparse. The right-of-way acquisition agents that are out contacting landowners are not listed on this website. They're oftentimes these right-of-way acquisition companies will hire kind of contract labor right-of-way agents to help them with these projects. Not, a particular right-of-way agent that's not listed on Roca Land's website, but they are working with Roca Land is not. So once again, this project, it's the width of the easement that they're seeking. It appears to be a 30-foot easement. They're still on route. There's some changes being made as we speak. They're also seeking some access road easements from landowners. So you may be approached for just an access easement. You may be approached for a permanent pipeline easement, or even some type of surface site or valve site on your property. So it's really important to know exactly what they're wanting or would like you at, what that easement agreement looks like. And always remember, it's what matters is what's in writing, not so much what, as always, it's important what the documents say, not what someone tells you, but what the actual documents say. So it's really important to learn and understand what those easement agreements do and what they say. And the best way to do that is find an attorney that this is their practice area, and they can help explain the easement documents and exactly what the pipeline company is needing and what they're seeking. And you'll often find that they're seeking more than what they're really needing. And so that's where we strive to those rights that you'll be granting to them what they're needing. So with that, hopefully it's helpful. So if you're in the San Augustine County, Texas area, and you're contacted by someone from Roca Land right away or Pine Wave Energy Park, then hopefully this video is helpful for you in knowing just a little bit more about this project. So with that, good luck.